It's Margarita, and I am back with another fragrance from the house of Derek Lam. And this time we're going out in the rain for rain day.
Everything that happens is motivation.
The presentation gets me every time. I love how elegant these boxes look for these gift sets. If you've watched any of the other reviews I've done, it doesn't want to open for me now, the sticky stuff on the side. I think they call it tape. Doesn't want to give. Here we go. This looks so nice, and I love the color. It's very, well, as you can see, very green. Now this fragrance says it's marketed toward women, but let's see how it actually smells. The atomizer is very sharp. It just is very direct. Now while this is drying down, let's check out the notes. Haitian vetiver and Tunisian neroli. So these seem to be pretty straightforward as far as the listed notes. Now I'm sure they have more than just these two. Lately, fragrance houses have been dummying down the descriptions in the list. I guess people a lot of times don't want to filter through that and only want to know what's dominant, so they just did that legwork for us. It's very peppery. So that vetiver is the dominant note, especially in the opening. I can smell the neroli, but it's very masculine. This smells kind of like bamboo, or like the inside of a Pier 1 Imports shop. It smells like wicker furniture. That is what it smells like, wicker furniture. It smells like a bunch of baskets. Think Crate and Barrel or something like that, Pottery Barn. It doesn't smell like it belongs on a body. It smells like a room freshener. It smells like a great candle. It smells like a lovely reed diffuser type scent. Definitely not for personal fragrance. Men can pull this off very easily. This is very earthy, very masculine. I'm not sure why they market this toward women. I am not a fan. It doesn't stink. It's just not a fragrance type of scent. But what do you think? Have you tried Rain Day by Derek Lam? Let me know if it works for you and what other scents typically work with your chemistry. Because it's nice, but it just doesn't say signature scent. It doesn't say, definitely doesn't say date night. This is very institutional smelling. It smells like a nice hotel lobby. It gives those vibes. But talk about it in the comments. I'd love to hear if it works for any of you. Also, like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And you know that by now. Until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.